took Ripley to the vet today. This is her Pak-O-Bird, I think is what it's called. But interestingly enough, she really loves riding in the car. So I just wanted to take a quick little video of us here. She doesn't like the vet, but she loves to ride in the car. Especially if there's someone else in here and she can be out and explore and stuff. So, not explore, but perch on your shoulder or whatever she might want to do. So, stoplight. We're not on the interstate right now, so otherwise I wouldn't be taking a video.